Today I'm going to be telling you why do you hiccup. So why do you hiccup? Here it is. The diaphragm is a muscle over your lungs. When you take a breath, it pushes down as your lungs fill with air. But sometimes the diaphragm starts to twitch on its own. Every time it twitches, you breathe quickly. When this happens, air hits your voice box and you make a hic sound. No one knows exactly why this happens. Some people get hiccups when they eat too much or eat quickly. Others get hiccups when they are scared, nervous, or excited. Most hiccups go away in a few minutes. And here I'm going to tell you some more ideas of how to get rid of hiccups. Hold a pencil horizontally between your teeth while you drink water from a glass. Hold a paper bag over your mouth and nose. Breathe in and out for 1 minute. Hold your breath and count to 10. Drink water from the wrong side of the glass. Put a teaspoon of sugar on the back of your tongue and swallow it. Get someone to scare you. That's all.